Surface find.
What's up, everybody?
I'm Daryl.
And I'm Marie.
And this is
DM's MixUp.
Welcome back to DM's MixUp. How's it going, everybody? We are back out at the nature park today. We are going to do some metal detecting. And we've got the entire crew with us. So, let's see what we find. I don't see any more. Look, it's so much metal. You know what it looks like? It looks like one of those trays that you cook beans in for Thanksgiving, or you bring to a party.
Disposable pans.
Aluminum.
Put them back in the hole! Let the
Take the worm!
Let the worm! Leave it alone.
Fine, we'll put the worm down.
Okay, so we got a really large piece of metal. I think it's aluminum siding. Surface find! Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a real quick show on some of the things we found. We haven't really done a wrap-up in a while because most of everything we've been finding is pretty much just scrap metal. So, but here's what it all looks like. Bunch of poles, cans, all kinds of junk. I did find this really cool thing here. It's got a little design on it, so I think that's the best find. It looks like a doorknob handle. I mean, a drawer handle. And then, of course, I found this. It's a kind of cool hair clip. And then, of course, there's earring, some glass that we found in the beach, and some other just nails. We found some old stuff. This is a shingle with a nail in it. Some square nails out on the beach. This metal is old. These cans are really old, you can tell, because they're all decayed. So, I don't know, maybe one day we'll find something good. And of course we found the golf ball. Alright, so that's it for this wrap up. Just wanted to give you guys a look and see some of the things that we've actually found. And, you know, they may not be super huge, but it's fun finding things. We like metal detecting. It's been enjoyable. We did find this little weird piece of metal. It looks like a square piece of metal, but because of the way it's decaying, it's like, I don't know, coming apart in little shards or whatever. It's interesting. I dropped it on the ground and it broke, and that's what it looks like. No idea what it is.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content.